Hi, Liz Pearson here from Angus Australia, the Commercial Supply Chain Manager. I'm here today on a sunny but windy New England day to talk to you about Verified Black Angus Beef. Black Angus Beef is verified independently by Angus Australia for commercial Angus brands. Those brands include NH Foods Angus Reserve, Ranges Valley Black Onyx and Black Market, Jacks Creek Black Angus and Three Creek Beef. We often get requests on where can we buy this fantastic product. As it stands today, the distribution network of beef domestically in Australia runs from the brand owner to a distributor and from there onto retail level. It's very hard to track where product goes once it leaves the distributor. However, they have access to that information. So we have gathered together a list of distributors of Verified Black Angus Beef Australia-wide to assist you in your endeavours to purchase Verified Black Angus Beef. So please click on the link in the description and this will give you access to the distributor list for you to contact to find out where you can get this fantastic product.